Good morning, students. In the previous video, we have learned about the nth term of an AP, how to find out any term in the given sequence. We have learned the formula and we have solved few questions on the nth term. Today, we are going to learn how to add a AP, how to find the sum of the AP. So, let's derive the formula for finding out the sum. Now, all of you know that the first term of AP is represented by A and the common difference is D. This is the symbol we use for first term, this is the symbol we use for your common difference. Now, let us assume a AP whose first term is A. Let an AP whose first term is A and common difference is D, having n terms. So therefore AP is A, comma A plus D. Now go on adding common difference. This is the first term. A plus D, A plus 2D, so on, and in the end you will get A plus n minus 1D. This is the last term. And this is a formula for general term also. This is the last term, A plus n minus 1D. Now, if you add this AP, then you get some answer. If you add some numbers, 4, 5, 6 numbers, then you get an answer. For example, if you add 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5, you will get answer as 15. Similarly, if you add all these terms of the AP, you will get some answer. So let us suppose, let the sum of n terms be Sn. Now Sn can be written as A plus D plus A plus 2D and plus so on. A plus n minus 1D. This is equation number 1. So we added all the terms and the answer is Sn. Now if you reverse the order, does it make any difference in the answer? Let's see this example. If I reverse the order, 5 plus 4 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1, again the answer is 15. So, if you reverse the order, the answer does not change. So, also Sn is equal to A plus n minus 1D plus so on. A plus 2D plus A plus D plus A. This is second. So, if you add this equation, you will get Sn. If you reverse the order, again you get the sum as Sn. Now, add these two equations. Now, Sn plus Sn, left hand side, twice of Sn, these are like terms. Now, add vertically. This is the first term of the first equation. This is the first term of the second. So that means what I'm saying, add this first term and add this one. So what will get? Twice of A plus n minus 1D. So what we have done, we have added the first term and the last term. Similarly, if you go on adding, in the end, you'll get the same answer. Now, how you get the same answer? Look at the example what I've written here. If you add these terms vertically, 1 plus 5, 6, 2 plus 4, 6, 3 plus 3, 6, 2 plus 4, 6, 5 plus 1, 6. So, how many times 6 is coming? Same answer is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, there are 5 terms and the answer is repeating 5 times. So, 5, 6 are 30. So, you can write down this answer as 30. Similarly, just like 6 are appearing, this bracket will appear every time if you add the terms vertically. Now, how many times this bracket will appear? The number of terms in the sequence. If there are 10 terms in the sequence, the bracket will appear 10 times. If there are 20 terms, it will appear 20 times. It is having n terms. So AP contains n terms. So therefore 2SN equal to n into twice of A plus n minus 1D. This 2 will go down. Sn is equal to n by 2 twice of A plus n minus 1D. So this is the required formula for sum of the n terms. Now, this formula can be written as, or we are adding first, look at A and this. First and this is first and the last term. So Sn can be written as n by 2 twice of A, sorry, not twice of A, but A plus L. So this is we have done the derivation of sum of n terms of an AP. Now we'll learn the applications. We'll learn how to solve the question with the help of this formula. Now let's tackle few questions based on the formula sum of n terms. Now, in the first part of exercise 5.3, first question, find the sum of the following APs. In the first part, an AP is given to you 2, 7, 12, so on up to 10 terms. Now, if you see the formula of sum, in that formula, I require the first term A, I require the common difference, and then I also require the number of terms. So, first term A equal to 2, B equal to 7 minus 2, it's 5. Now N, what is N? It is given 10 terms. N is 10. Now use the formula Sn, n by 2, twice of A plus n minus 1 D. Fill up the values. S10, 10 by 2, 2 into 2 plus 10 minus 1 into 5. So 5, if you cancel it, 4 plus 45. It is 5 into 49, that is 245. So sum of n terms is how much? 240. This is the simplest problem. So now let's take one more question of this type. Second part, here A equal to minus 37, D equal to second term minus term. Remember, second term minus first term, minus 33 minus 37, you will get plus 4, and n equal to 12. Again it is given 12 terms. Now Sn equal to n by 2 twice of A plus n minus 1 B. So S12, 12 by 2, 2 into minus 37 plus 12 minus 1 into 4. So 6 into minus 74 plus 44, you'll get 6 into minus 30, you'll get minus 180. So answer, the sum of 12 terms is minus 180. Now we'll take up more questions. Tackle more questions on the some formula for sum of n terms of an AP. This is question number 2. Now here the AP is given to you. This is a series 7 plus 10 1 by 2 plus 14 plus so on. Now in the end it is given 84. Now remember children, 84 is not the last, it is not the number of terms. It is not n, it is the last term. Remember, it is the last term. So in this we have to find out the n also. We have to find two things. First number of terms, then we have to find out the sum of n terms. So here a equal to 7, b equal to 10 1 by 2 minus 7. So it will be 21 by 2 minus 7 equal to 7 by 2. Now the last term is given to you, that is an, 84. Now use the formula. This is the formula for nth term, general term. Use that formula to find out n. You will get 7 plus n minus 1, 7 by 2 equal to 84. N comes out to be 23. If you calculate, n comes out to be 23. Now Sn equal to n by 2 a plus l. We can use this formula because I know the last term also, I know the first term also. S23, 23 upon 2, 7 plus 84. 23 by 2 into 91. So if you multiply and divide, you will get 1046.5. This is the sum of all these terms. Now similarly we will tackle one more question of this type. Here in the second part, a equal to minus 5, d equal to minus 8, minus of minus 5, that is minus 8 plus 5 equal to minus 3. L, that is the last term. Here the last term is what? This is not n. This is the last term. Remember this thing. Is minus 230. Find out n from here. A plus n minus 1 d 230 minus 5 plus n minus 1 minus 3 minus 230 minus 5 minus 3n plus 3 equal to minus 230. So minus 3n equal to minus 228. N is equal to 228 upon 3, that is 76. So n is 76. Remember, n always comes in a whole number. Now Sn equal to n by 2 a plus l. So 76 by 2 minus 5 plus minus 230. You can write on this. This is 38 into minus 235. Now you can multiply and get the answer. So we have learned how to find out the sum of the sequence by using the sum formula, how to add the AP S by the formula Sn is equal to n by 2 a plus l.